what we're gonna do is we're gonna make an omelet for my mom. She cannot eat gluten or dairy, so we are getting organic free-run egg and soy milk. So you get all your almond milk. So you get all your station and you put a pan full of oil for your almond. 3. And now you get an onion, some basil, parsley, whatever. Cilantro. And then you give this to your Clara. And this is my mom's dinner, strange but true. You get 2 things of a bibbies.
Of the babies?
Bibbies, to be precise, of garlic. Then you go like this. Get all of them. Then you put them to pile with these. Then you do the same with the second. You can do 3 or 4, but do not do the whole onion, garlic, whatever it's called. And then you pick up your onion, whatever it's called.
Oniony?
Oh, who's in control of that?
Now, I'm in control of this.
Are you sure? It looks like the onion's in control. Are you... Wow.
You should never put your fingers in when someone's cutting.
Fine.
Because then you can get your own fingers cut off. Right?
You roll your fingers.
Safety first, people. Safety first. When I say look out, look out.
You better still be filming that.
I'm watching you.
And then I will cut the rest. Okay. Then I go like. So then you put on your cutting board.
You have beautiful eyes.
Then you should hear it sizzle.
I mean funny.
All the stuff out.
But I mean funny. You just remake an omelet.
OMG. Yeah.
Some cooking shows are funny.
Not unlike this one, because like this is annoying. And then you get a cup or maybe a bowl or something. I'll do a cup. And I'll swear, if you ever watch my one, I don't remember which one, I think it's pancakes. And when I really badly broke an egg, let's check it out. So last time it was, this time it's going like, yeah, that's what you're talking about. And then you give it to your Clara/mommy.
Hello, Clara/mommy.
What?
And then you
Good to feel useful. That's all.
And one. Then you give this to your Clara/mommy. And then you go like this. Wash, jump down. You go to the bathroom.
Well, Clara's gone. I'm stirring her food for her. Don't tell her.
You are grounded. Oh, no, thank you. You are not grounded this one. And then you go and you get a fork and a item moi. Not moi. And in Danish, our translator would say
That's French.
Okay.
whatever.
Okay, focus.
And then you get more milk.
More milk. Right.
Thank you very much. I think I'm going to drink that. Oh, and because it's Miss Stranger, Clara, you go. And you turn this on to small. And then you go mix until she says 1. Mix until she says 1. Mix until she says 1.
Here's how I like it. You turn that big, and you go.
Fine, I'll do
No, that's good. There we go.
Okay. And then you get your amazing, awesome, fancy. And then you go like mix. Hey! And then you put in your basil, parsley, cilantro. And then you should then you need to flip it. all the way more so it'll get nice and crispy. And then you wait about 20 seconds. And you can also, while you're doing this, is you don't have to do the yellow onion. You can do whatever type of onion you want. Now that's probably good enough. And then stop. You get your egg slash...
Did you mix it with a fork?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that. And then you pour it in. And now it's going to make a wee funny sizzling sound. And then you get this. And then you go like that. And then you wait. And you go like this to make it turn off. 1, 2, 3, zap! Spatula. That'd be quite cool. And then you push everything in. Try and get the onion back in if you can. Then you push it back. And it'll basically look like a really steadily. And you push it as much as you can. Crispy. Then lots. And that looks delicious. Then you take this, or you give it to Clara slash Mommy.
Should we see if we can flip it?
And then Clara slash Mommy. Then flip it.
You know, I think it's so big, we should cut it in half and see if we can flip it in 2 parts. Part 1.
Oh. Only if I was eating that, I would say no, because I'm going to have delicious homemade bread that we have. You can look up Clara Cook's bread, and you would just find out to Clara Cook's bread. And you can also go on to Clara, if you look up Clara Cook's, you see more, and we'll make a bunch of different things, like pancakes, waffles, bread, and what else?
The commercial.
The commercial that you have to see her.
The sandwich.
Sandwich.
The sandwich.
The macaroni and cheese.
Did you say cheesecake
Macaroni
already?
and cheese. Cheesecake. Maybe it looks a bit... It's really hard to actually do this. Yeah, that looks actually pretty good. Wrap this plate. This might be tricky. Oopsie. Oopsie. And then you just finish it up with some nice little tops. And then you give it to the eater. And I go and I get some salsa. And then you wait until the waiter to say done.
That's perfect. Whoa. There you go. Clara cooked dinner for Mommy.